one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Some of you have been carrying things quietly. It's not always loud pain. It's not always obvious fear. But somehow inside there is a coldness, a disappointment, a strain, of things simply going on too long without rest. You keep moving, you keep trusting, and as best as you can, you do what you know to do. But there's something within you that is longing for the warmth of God again, that's longing for the warmth of the Lord's presence, longing to feel safe, to feel settled and held. And the Lord says, I'm meeting you with my tender love. Do not be afraid, but trust that I'm with you, and that I'm bringing the warmth of my presence to you. I'm bringing colour again where things have been black and white, where things have felt lifeless and dead. I'm bringing new life. For I am the Lord who restores, the Lord who heals, the Lord who makes new. Do not be afraid, but give all into my hands anew, giving to me the weariness and allowing me to make you whole. For I am bringing the warmth of my presence, the warmth of my love. I am with you and I am for you. Trust in me that I am making you new. I'm bringing freedom and life to you anew. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.